Hello students, in today's lecture we study about the metal carbonyls, which is the unit third part B. Okay, so in that unit we study about this introduction about this metal carbonyls, principal synthetic roots of metal carbonyls. Okay, and understand structure of some monocarbonyls. Then structure and bonding in mononuclear carbonyls. NiCO4, FeCO5, ठीक है, hexacarbonyl chromium with respect to back pi bonding. So this is we learn in unit third part B, which is the metal carbonyls. So this metal carbonyls, which is nothing but the one of the organometallic compounds which we already study in the previous lecture. So this one of the organometallic complexes. So here the ligands are carbonyls. Okay, and this is the vast area we study in organometallic complexes. So here the definition of this metal carbonyl are: the metal carbonyls are compound which are formed by the combination of carbonyl ligands with transition metal atom in the low or zero oxidation state. This is the important point. In this, the metal which is in the low or the zero oxidation state, and it is attached with the carbonyl ligand. So this carbonyl ligand, which is the ethylenic ligand, so this complex form, which is also known as organoethylenic complexes also, which also we study in the previous lecture. Okay, so this is the introduction of this metal carbonyl. Next one is the general method of preparation of this metal carbonyl. Then it is prepared by the direct synthesis. That means when the metal atom which is react with the carbonyl ligand under the particular condition of temperature and pressure, then there can occur the formation of the metal carbonyl. So there is the direct reaction of this carbonyl and the metals under particular condition. For example, when nickel it is react with the 4 carbonyl group, and this reaction is occur at the 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure. This is the condition of the temperature and pressure, and it form AnICO4. Okay, tetracarbonyl nickel. And another example is iron react with 5 carbonyl group at 200 degrees Celsius and 10 atmospheric pressure. It form pentacarbonyl iron. So this is the direct reaction of this metal with carbonyl group. Second method of preparation is the reduction method. So here in this method, the metal salts like the halides, oxides, okay, that means metal halides, metal oxide, it are reduced in the presence of the carbonyl, and which gives the metal carbonyl. For example, chlorides, okay, chlorides of the chromium, that means CrCl3, it reacts with aluminium and 6 carbonyl group, okay, under the condition of AlCl3 as a reagent and benzene solvent. Okay, it gives the CrCO6, okay, hexacarbonyl chromium and AlCl3. So this is the reduction method, and there is a formula. By this reduction method we form the metal carbonyls. Okay, next method is photolysis of or thermolysis. Okay, so in this method the higher carbonyls such as Fe2CO9 and OS3CO12 can be synthesized by the photolysis or thermolysis of lower metal carbonyls, or lower metal carbonyls are combined which form the higher carbonyls. And the example is twice FeCO5. Okay, it gives Hmu, that means the photolysis process are occur here. Fe2CO9 plus CO. Okay. Second example is thrice osmium CO5. Under again photolysis condition, it gives the S small OS3 C3 CO12 plus thrice CO. So this is the photolysis method to form the higher carbonyls from the lower one. Okay. Next method is the by the substitution reaction. Okay, some carbonyls can be prepared by the substitution reaction of metal halides with the carbonyl. That means the halides of this metal halides is replaced with the carbonyl group. Okay, for example, vanadium chloride VCl3, it reacts with the carbonyl, and under the condition of Na, it gives the VCO6 plus thrice NaCl. Okay, so this is the condition. This is the reaction to formation of this carbonyl. Here the chloride, which is replaced by the carbonyl group. That's it is the substitution reaction. Next one is by the reaction of carbonyl with the oxides of the metal. Okay, so some carbonyls are prepared by the reaction of between the carbonyls and metal oxide. For example, oxide of osmium OSO4, it reacts with the carbonyl and it gives the OsCO5 plus 4CO2. So this is the general method for formation of these metal carbonyls. So in today's lecture, we study about the introduction of this metal carbonyl and the preparation of these metal carbonyls. Okay, thank you.